हाय एवरीवन। सो आज डिस्कस करते हैं जनरल ट्रेनिंग स्टूडेंट्स के एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टास्क 2। वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन इट वाज। सम पीपल बिलीव टू हैव मोर मनी एंड लेस फ्री टाइम, whereas others believe to have more फ्री टाइम एंड लेस मनी। डिस्कस बोथ एंड गिव योर ओपिनियन। तो पहले बात करते हैं उन लोगों की हु वांट मोर मनी एंड लेस फ्री टाइम। सी, फॉर एवरी पर्सन life is different. There are many people who suffer from bad financial conditions, and for them they don't have any, they have to work so much that they are not able to take out time for themselves, because for them money is the most important thing, because they need to fulfill the basic needs of their family, the basic necessities of their family. So for them, those who are financially not sound, उनके लिए money is very important, इसलिए they prefer to have more money rather than having free time. बट यहीं पे कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं who have sufficient amount of money, still they want to earn more because they want to have a luxurious lifestyle. तो इस तरह के भी लोग होते हैं, उन्हें they have high dreams, high hopes, high aspirations, they want to achieve great goals in their life, और इस वजह they want to work to the best of their abilities. उन्हें फ्री टाइम पसंद नहीं होता, वो चाहते हैं और ज़्यादा वर्क करें ताकि और ज़्यादा अमाउंट they can earn and they can have life of their dreams. They can give best education to their children. They can have best luxurious life and they can enjoy a lot in their life. तो उनके लिए फ्री टाइम, उन्हें फ्री टाइम पसंद नहीं है, they want to earn more money. अब हम इन लोगों को, कुछ लोगों को greedy भी कह सकते हैं, because even after having money they are spending too much time on work, and they're not spending time with their family members, which can sometimes lead to negative effects on their health also, because if you are less social, then sometimes it can create problems for you. Let's talk about the other side. Some people prefer to have more free time and less money. कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं who are satisfied with their life. For them happiness comes from family. For them happiness comes from spending time with their family. So these kind of people prefer to have more free time, because even if they have lot of money and they don't have family members, they don't have friends, if they don't socialize, they don't feel happy. So they give priority to happiness, they give priority to their families, they give priority to themselves so that they can pursue their hobbies. So they want to have free time so that they can pursue their hobbies, they can spend time with their family members, with their friends, and उन्हें लगता है कि this is the best definition of life, because if you are having a lot of money and if you're not happy, then there is no point. So इस तरह के लोग फ्री टाइम ज़्यादा चाहते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें हैप्पीनेस उससे मिलती है. टू कंक्लूड हम यही बात कर सकते हैं कि अगेन डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्री टाइम एंड मनी डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. आई एम ऑफ द ओपिनियन दैट देयर शुड बी अ मिक्स्ड ब्लेंड ऑफ फ्री टाइम एज वेल एज money, because sometimes you have to work hard in order to fulfill all your needs and requirement, because you are living in an inflation era. So I am of the opinion that less free time and having more money can be a great thing if you take out time for your family members also. So now it depends on you what you want to write. आप किसी भी साइड जा सकते हैं. डिस्कस होते हैं, इसलिए आर्ग्यूमेंट 1 आर्ग्यूमेंट 2 को डिस्कस करें और कंक्लूजन में अपना ओपिनियन दें. आप दोनों में से किसी साइड भी जा सकते हैं, या आप कह सकते हैं कि मिक्स ब्लेंड of free time and money is the best combination, because it keeps you happy. So I hope it is clear. And you might, if you have any views, you can write them in the comment box. Bye, take care, all the best.